What bitch? Is this sarap?
Very sarap. With this
Sarap ka daw?
sarap.
What is this? Fried chicken.
Skin.
Chicken skin and what?
Pek-pek.
Pek-pek? May rice?
Yeah.
Mura na.
So rice is
The green rice? Like Hainanese rice? Fried rice.
yeah.
Tempo? So ito na yung pinagbibili namin. Sabi ko sa kanya, gusto ko matry yung fried chicken dito para makapag-kumpara ko naman yung fried chicken nila. Zang! Laki! Ito to. Chicken skin. Ito, sabaw. Free. Free sabaw. Chicken skin.
Dạ đây.
Ang hirap matanggal sa stick. Pero crunchy. Siyam, yung mga sausawan nila. Ano to? Soy sauce?
Soy sauce. This is fish sauce.
Okay. Ang fish sauce?
Sweet fish sauce.
Okay.
But it's already soaking fish sauce.
Ah, may fish sauce na to? Okay.
Marami
Let's dig in. Fried chicken nila walang breadings. First bite. Lambot. Sarap. Laki.
Of course, we get tired when we keep eating healthy food.
Alright. Okay din. Okay din yung fried chicken nila. Kahit walang breadings. Templado ng patis. Sweet patis.